In this video, I'll guide you through how to comment in Airtable. Whether you're collaborating with a team or just leaving notes for yourself, knowing how to add comments directly to records can make your workflow much clearer and more organized. I'll walk you through each step slowly and clearly so you can follow along on your own screen. First, open your preferred web browser on your computer and go to the Airtable website at airtable.com. Make sure you're signed into your account. If you're not already logged in, enter your usual login details and wait for your workspace and bases to load. Once everything has loaded, you'll see a list of your bases, which are essentially the main containers for your data. Next, click on the base that contains the information you want to comment on. This will open up that base, showing you one or more tables along the top or side, depending on your layout. Each table is like a spreadsheet made up of rows and columns. Now choose the specific table where the record you want to comment on is stored. Click on that table's name to open it. You should now see a grid view of your records where each row represents a record and each column represents a field such as a name, date, status, or anything else you've set up. Look through the rows and find the record you want to comment on. This might be a task, a contact, a project, or any other item you're tracking. When you've found the right row, click on it to open the expanded record view. This opens a panel or window that shows all the fields for that record in more detail, making it easier to see everything at once. With the expanded record view open, move your mouse over the record area, then right-click. A small menu will appear. From that menu, select the option that says Add Comment. This tells Airtable you want to start a conversation or leave a note tied specifically to this record. A comment text box will appear, usually near the bottom or on the side of the expanded record view. Click inside this text box and you can start typing your comment. This is where you can leave feedback, add context, ask a question, or note changes that need to be made. Try to be clear and specific so that anyone reading it later understands exactly what you mean. If you're working with a team, you can also mention people by name if Airtable supports that in your workspace so they know the comment is directed at them. Once you're happy with what you've written, it's time to post the comment. You can do this in one of two ways. Either press the Enter key on your keyboard or click the Send button next to the text box, depending on what feels more natural for you. After you do that, your comment will appear in the comment thread for that record, and other collaborators with access to the base will be able to see it. That's all there is to it. You've opened Airtable, navigated to the right base and table, selected your record, added your comment, and posted it. With this simple process, you can keep discussions tied directly to the data they refer to, making your Airtable bases much easier to understand and collaborate on.